morning, guys. So it's Thursday morning. Yeah, we just got to Romeo's appointment for his skin. We're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what they say. He's in the back right there, and then after we're gonna drop him off to school. But I will update you guys when we get out of the doctor's. Alright, guys, so we are leaving his school, right? I mean, his doctor's what? His doctor's office right now. And it went pretty good. Just, I can go this way, right? Yeah. You should have to tell me because I don't know the back streets. So yeah, anyways,
I gotta get my face on here, y'all, you know?
His cute little face.
Yeah, since y'all don't see me that much because I'm always working.
Okay, so anyway, it went good. I seen the nurse practitioner at first, but then she recommended I see the doctor, and which was good because he was there already. She brought the doctor in, and he pretty much was like, he'll kind of get away with like an oral steroid for 12 days with the creams and his antibiotics. He should be good. He's like, but when he does clear up, he wants to maybe talk to me about like some different options, like maybe a one-time steroid. So like whenever I see his skin flaring up, I can just give it to him and then it'll knock it out the park. Like it'll just clear it up before it gets bad like it is now. Or there's like a shot I can give him, but it's like treatments and stuff. So I don't know. It's just, but like he said, like it kind of it's kind of like hit and miss when it comes to eczema in children, because you can't, I'm going right? Because you can't give them a steroid every month. Like it's just bad for their immune system and just bad all in one. So he was just saying like, we'll see how he reacts to this treatment. But the last time that they had given him a steroid for his eczema was back in June of 2019. So with that being said, they're like, all right, he did good for a while after that steroid, so we think we can give him a steroid again, and then just try to maintain his skin. But like I said, like that's what I would prefer, because once it's bad like this, it's out of my control. I can't even control it. I need some strong medication to interfere. So that's what they did. And I'm happy with the way it turned out. So I'm on my way to drop off Romeo right now at school. Does this police really live at this house?
I guess so.
What in the heck?
Go back. You know, everybody. The truck always right there.
I know, but like.
Yeah, I mean, what they all not doing it big like that. He a whole state boy too.
I don't know, but I don't know what people be thinking.
You wrong for that.
Unless maybe that's his mom's house and he doesn't have to pay for it.
No, and his mom's house.
I'm surprised Skylar went on the school bus by himself. He was so excited because he got to sit by the window.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but that's why he wasn't worried about it.
He was telling Romeo, I get to sit by the window.
Really? Yeah, so he wasn't worried about it.
He walked on that bus proud. It's time to go to school. Learn. Alright, I'll charge it.
Alright, Cupcake.
Say bye. Alright guys, so we just got into Sam's. We're just coming to grab a few things. Oh look, creative starter kit.
Oh look, I spy.
Oh, how neat. Looking at this. Oh, look at that extension cord. That's a pretty one. Yeah. I know. Oh, look at the welcome sign. It's pretty. Almost like ours. We haven't been in here in so long, you guys. Oh, look at that marker. We rearranged it. A kayak. I remember going on kayaks. What? Hey babe, look at that bunny. 2-pack. Ah, babe, look at this bike. It has seats in the back. We had that. I think. Wait, what happened? Oh no, we got rid of ours.
Oh, it's nice house, huh? Yeah, but you need one like that?
Kai said he needs that house. Oh, look at for bath time. the kite.
Yeah, when the wind gonna be good next time.
Yeah.
Get one.
Oh, it is a little backpack. How cute.
You're not
Oh,
getting
look
it.
at that, babe. Arcade up. What is that?
A different arcade one like we got at the
Oh,
house.
like you could sit down on it. How much? That's not bad.
400.
Look at these little skates. So cute. They have like all the, oh, I love this chair. They have like all the summer stuff. Oh my God, you guys, look. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna have to get it. Ooh, babe, Valentine's. Yeah. Baby. Oh, what is this? No. I need to look for my almonds and stuff. Over here. Really? What do you say? I normally get like the Sam's brand, but I don't see them. So I don't know if they don't have them anymore, but I guess I just grab them. So, not sure, I'll just grab these, but I normally get the Sam's bag because the Sam's bag is bigger, so I don't know. We'll have to see if I can find them around the store. They normally have them just like laid out in like different aisles. Huh?
You want some of these?
Kai, how are you shopping? You don't even know what that is. Oh, the horsies? You guys, when I serve him animal crackers, he only picks out the horsies. Horsey, yeah. Yeah. Yummy horsies. Check out these king cakes. I was gonna say Mardi Gras cakes. Plain, traditional, cream cheese, yum. I like the Bavarian kind. I don't know. Bagels. I got Kai his brownies, the brownie head. Gotta get a cake for Mr. Michael.
Look.
Yeah, you see all the colors?
Yes.
Yeah. Here, Sam makes some pretty cakes. Look at how cute. And they're only like 40 bucks compared to like 100 if you go to a bakery. Oh, you see them moving that thing up there? Yeah. Which one do you need?
This one, I guess.
The bottom one?
It don't matter. This one.
These salads look good. Well, I wonder if these are good. I have to just grab me some spinach because I've been out of my spinach for a while now. I'll just grab one. I have this, my sweet kale. And then the spinach.
Water?
Yeah, I have to grab the water. I'm gonna go grab the spinach right here. And then grab my baby spinach. I always grab it here because I feel like it lasts longer because at Walmart they don't last as long. I don't know why. But yeah. I use this for like my salad or like my green juices and stuff a lot.
I gotta grab some coke.
On that side? Okay. These are so good. I remember when I was little, I used to always drink them and think I was so cute with my little glass cup.
Look.
What do you see? This is like heaven for Michael. Ooh, pineapple juice. You know what they say about that? Really? Well, guys, oh, whoa. Oh, it's freezing in here. Whee! It's cold, yeah.
No, don't put it right there. Drop it on the cake.
I'm about to mess up your cake. Wait, I'm gonna grab this real quick. All right, guys, so these are the ones I was talking about. So I had picked up these earlier, and yes, I am that chick. Leaving that right there, and I'm gonna grab these. Ah. Alright guys, so we are going to definitely pick these up and try them. They have a Twix one and they have an Oreo one. Woo! I seen it on like the brochure that they sent to our house. They have a lot of good stuff here. They have a lot of, yeah, we're good. They have a lot of healthy options here. See? Veggie, Romeo likes those with the ranch flavor. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, already? Yeah, yummies. How cute is this, you guys? Peeps. Those are my favorite. So good. Yeah. What is that? 2 tarts? Let's go check out. Checking out. Ready? Yeah, guys, we spent $172, which is not bad because we got this cart full of stuff.
I could build one like that.
Really, Michael thinks he could build one like that. You are pushing it to the limit. Gosh, it's windy, you guys. It's like if the wind wasn't blowing, it would be alright. But like the wind is literally blowing all of my hair. 32.
It's cold over there.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna load up this truck. Alright, we just got to Walmart. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Babe! All these birds! Dude! Michael! Look what he freaking just did, you guys. He literally is throwing out all the kids' goldfish. Michael, I am not getting out of this car.
See you, man? Wow, look.
Dude, what the
shit on my head.
Dude, they're literally hovering over us. Michael! I can't even. What the frick? Look at him scared.
Look.
He's hiding.
You try? Yes. Throw it. Hold up.
Oh my gosh.
Throw it.
You're a troublemaker.
Oh, throw it right over our head.
Oh.
Throw it by our head.
I'm out of here.
Come back and throw it. You want to take them off?
So bad. Dude, they came like right before you even put it down.
No, I threw some on the ground already.
Oh,
they seen
I'm like, what do they do? Sense that somebody's gonna feed them? I love these chairs. It looks so comfortable.
Put that back there. No, we got that one already.
Ryan, ooh, you could play in the bath with that. He's good in the bath.
What you want? Put it in the bucket.
Very nice.
Sit down, put it down. Put it down.
Drop it in the basket.
Okay. Come on, let's get in. Okay, now you got your shark to go home with. Sit down. What? For sister?
Yes.
What you want to get for sister?
That one.
No, she don't want that. You want that.
No.
What?
What?
Peppa! You want that instead?
That one.
This one?
Pink.
This one?
Oh, we don't need this then.
Which other one? Here.
Two. Thank you.
No, which one?
That one. Pink. This.
Wow.
You want that? Okay, that's better. but what you want to get for sister?
Two.
Yeah. Oh, look, Shrek. I'm not Shrek. Freaking Stitch. Lilo Stitch. This is why your girl loves Melissa and Doug stuff. Nothing but educational. Look. This is my favorite. I just hate to grab this right now for the kids because I need to organize all their stuff first because all those letters will be gone in a heartbeat. Like, we already have this. Kai loves it.
Mommy!
Yes.
Look.
Let me see what you got.
Peanut, look.
Oh, that?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, remember I said grab her phone.
Grandma! Yes, man.
Right there.
You got a lot of animals.
Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, yeah, get off phone.
I'm not grandma.
Man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you have that at home, too. Oh, look at the bike. We got Fat Girl's cell phone, because you already know she's always on ours.
Wait, man.
Go, Kai. You don't like it? Oh my god.
You never done it? Oh, look at it.
No. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is hilarious. I'm going.
Daddy, yeah,
Look at it, recently.
I know. That one's pretty. No! They're gonna attack you. Here, throw it out.
Yeah.
Whoa, he took a big old piece. Michael, I really do not want to get shitted on. Oh.
Get it there.
You see the birdies? Hi guys, so it is 1:16 in the morning and I'm gonna go ahead and finally end today's vlog. Me and Michael just got done filming a spicy chicken sandwich review, I guess you can say. We did the Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, you're dumb.
Off the hook.
And Off the Hook, which is a local fast food restaurant here in Louisiana. So they just came out with it, so we just figured it'd be fun to kind of just do a quick one real quick for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit and upload that tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Peace.
Hey Batiste family, go ahead and head over to Kennedy Soul's YouTube channel. Here's a screenshot right here on the screen. Go ahead and comment down below on her second video, which is wearing lashes for the first time. You guys, such a hilarious video. You have to watch it. When you're done, comment down below on that video and let them know that Batiste Family Vlogs sent you.
I can feel